Welcome kids in today's class. Today date is 29 April 2020. I have seen your maths work. You might be facing little difficulties while writing numbers in single box. Dear kids, as earlier I told you, in nursery class you were writing in different boxes. Okay, like if you want to write 1, 1, 11, then you have to write in different boxes. You will write in same way in nursery class, like 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. But no need to worry, due to more practice, you will be able to write well in single box. Okay, only needs more practice. Then again I am going to teach you how to write in single box. Got it? Okay, ones. Then you have to write 1 under the ones place. Here ones place. Here 1. Start from the center of the box. It is a square. Okay. Right from the center and touch the bottom line. Then here 2. Here 3. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. See 10, 1, 0, 10. Double number is there, 1, 0, 10. 0 comes on 1's place and 1 comes on 10's place. Here 10's place. 10's place. Got it? And after 10, which line comes? 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 0, 10. After 10, what will come? 1, 1, 11. Here 1. Then here again 1. Same box. Left side right 1 and again right side right 1. Then it's which line is going on? 1, 1, 11. Then here comes 1. A whole line. 1. Then what come after 1? 2. Then again 1. Then what come after 2? 3. Same here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But here we write 1, 1, 1 because 1, 1, 11 line is going on. 1, 1 for 14. Like this. Parents, you can give dot at starting because students are little confused. So you can give dot, double dot for few days. 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and after 1 here at the end of the line. See 1 here 1, 1, 11 line is going on, then 1. After 1 what will come after 1? 2. Then here also what will come after 1? 2 at the end of the line 2. Then here after 9 what will come here after 9? 0. Then 2, 0, 20. 1, 9, 19. What come after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. Got it? Then after 2, 0, 20 which line comes? After 2, 0, 20 here 2, then again here 2. Same 2, then again start 2 and here 1. 2, 1, 21. 2, 0, 20. After 2, 0, 20 which line comes? 2, 1, 21. Then same again here. Now what we will write here? 2 because 2 here 2 ना 2, 1, 21 की लाइन स्टार्ट हो रही है ना यहाँ पे. तो here यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे 2. जब 1, 1, 11 की लाइन थी तब हमने यहाँ क्या लिखा 1, 1, 1 and last we have to write 2. After 1 what will come 2. Then now 2, 1, 21 की लाइन स्टार्ट हो रही है तो यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे 2. Then what come after 1? 2. Same like this. Then again 2. अब यहाँ हम 1 नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि 2 की लाइन शुरू हो रही है. Here 2. Then we have to write same number 2. Then 1, 2. After 2 3. 2, 3.